In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a template or theme to another Hubspot account in Hubspot. This is useful when you have already built a page template, a theme, or a set of design assets in one Hubspot account, and you want to reuse the exact same files in a different account without rebuilding everything from scratch. The process happens inside the Design Manager, which is where HubSpot stores and manages templates, modules, themes, and supporting files like CSS, JavaScript, and images. To begin, sign into the HubSpot account that currently contains the template or theme you want to copy. From the main navigation, go to Content, and then click Design Manager. This will open the File Manager view, with a sidebar on the left that shows your folders and files. In the left sidebar, take a moment to locate the exact folder or file you want to move. If you are copying an entire theme, it is often best to copy the whole theme folder so that you bring over all related assets together. If you only need a single template, you can copy just that file. Being precise here helps you avoid missing dependencies, like style sheets or modules that your template relies on. Once you have found the correct folder or file, right-click directly on the folder name or file name in the sidebar. A context menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that menu, click Copy to Different Account. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose where you want the assets to go. Select your target account from the drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the correct destination, especially if you have access to multiple accounts, because this determines where the files will be copied. After you confirm the target account, click Copy Assets. HubSpot will begin copying the selected folder or file into the other account. Depending on how large the theme or folder is, this may take a moment. When it completes, you can switch to the target HubSpot account and open Design Manager there to verify that the files are present and organized as expected. And that is all there is to it.